Breaking news just coming in. House-to-house survey in Delhi to check the spread of coronavirus. This decision has been taken during Amit Shah and Kejriwal's meeting. The survey is going to take place in 13 to 14 lakh houses. Around 1/4 of Delhi's population is going to be surveyed by around 9,500 teams. Delhi is battling coronavirus on a war footing, the third wave intensifying. Kumar Kunal is joining us. Kumar, tell us about this house-to-house survey in Delhi to check the spread of COVID-19. And this particular decision is coming after there was a meeting between Arvind Kejriwal and Amit Shah on the rising number of coronavirus cases in the capital as well. How does this serology test really help out, and what is also being done to increase the number of people who are who want to get beds and are unable to do so, because our sting operation also showed that there is a real shortage of of beds in Delhi?
Chetty, it is one of the massive survey which will be taken by Delhi government and their teams. At least 9,500 teams will be deployed for this survey, and they will go door to door. Almost the target of 13 to 14 lakh households has been kept for this survey. I will tell you that if someone is being found with some of the symptoms of COVID and not going for the test, they will be identified and they will be promoted to get their tests done, and that's how this survey will work, Chetty. Right now, what government is believing that many of the people who have even COVID symptoms in them, they are not coming out and not getting their tests done. That's why these teams have been deployed. Each of the team will consist of 2 to 3 Delhi government employees, and they will go door to door. They include the teachers of government schools, since the government schools are closed as of now due to COVID. So the teachers have been also deployed for this survey, and the survey will take place even in the containment zones and those areas which are highly susceptible for the COVID cases. So this survey will start from today only, and all the teams will go door to door and find out those who have some symptoms of COVID, or even the awareness drive. That will be also that is also one of the job of this team. They will spread awareness about the COVID.
Thanks, Kumar, for joining us with the very latest on this survey that is going to be conducted. That's the big breaking news we're tracking at this point of time. House-to-house survey in Delhi to check coronavirus spread in the national capital.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.